Welcome to the future of space war, where the stakes are high and the laughs are even higher. Imagine a world where nations are no longer just battling for land, but for cosmic bragging rights, all while sporting the latest in space fashion. Think shiny, metallic jumpsuits that scream, "I'm ready for battle, but make it stylish." Hi. In this interstellar showdown, the United States might kick things off with a fleet of high-tech drones. But here's the twist. These drones are piloted by cats. Yes, those furry little tyrants have taken the controls. Picture this. A sleek drone zooming through the stars, only to suddenly veer off course because a cat decided it was time for a nap. The world watches in awe as laser beams are fired. Not at enemy ships, but at a rogue ball of yarn floating by. Talk about a perfect distraction. Meanwhile, Russia isn't going to sit idly by. They could roll out a colossal hamster ball, bouncing through the cosmos like a cosmic pinball. This hamster ball wouldn't just be for show. It would be equipped with confetti cannons and glitter bombs. Imagine the chaos as glitter rains down on enemy ships, leaving them blinded by sparkles. Who can fight back when they're too busy cleaning up the mess? The Russian strategy would be simple. If you can't dazzle them with firepower, confuse them with glitter. And let's not forget about China, who might deploy an army of robotic pandas. These adorable creatures would waddle into battle, distracting enemies with their cuteness while secretly gathering intel. Oh no, a panda. Quick, someone take a selfie. As the enemy scrambles for their phones, the pandas would be busy hacking into their systems. It's a classic case of, look over here while we take over your spaceship. Hi. As these nations clash in the stars, the United Nations would hold emergency meetings via hologram, debating the ethics of foam rockets and glitter warfare. Picture diplomats in suits, trying to maintain their seriousness while surrounded by floating foam projectiles. Should we really allow foam rockets? One delegate would ask, only to be interrupted by a cat piloting a drone that just crashed into the conference room. Well, that settles it. Foam rockets are officially banned. Hi. In this cosmic circus, the real spectacle might be the rise of space tourism. Imagine luxury space cruisers floating above the battlefield, where tourists sip cosmic cocktails and watch nations duke it out with foam and glitter. Look, honey, there's the United States launching a cat drone. And over there, Russia's hamster ball is rolling right into the action. It's the ultimate reality show, and everyone wants a front row seat. As the battles rage on, the nations would also have to deal with the logistics of space war. Supply chains would be a nightmare. Picture a delivery spaceship trying to navigate through a battlefield, dodging laser beams while delivering pizza to the troops. Sorry, we're late. We got caught in a glitter storm. And what about the aftermath of these battles? Instead of traditional war memorials, there would be glitter-covered monuments and giant foam rocket sculptures. Here lies the brave soldiers who fought valiantly in the Great Glitter War of 2045. Future generations would visit these sites, scratching their heads and wondering what on Earth, or rather, in space, was going on. As the universe spins on, the future of space war looks less like a grim showdown and more like a hilarious comedy show. Imagine the memes that would come out of this. When you realize your cat is a better pilot than you, accompanied by a picture of a cat in a spacesuit looking utterly confused. Social media would explode with hashtags like #GlitterWars and #PandaPower as everyone shares their favorite moments from the cosmic battles. In this new era, the line between war and entertainment would blur. Nations would invest in space war reality shows, where viewers could vote on strategies and even influence the outcome of battles. Tonight on Galactic Gladiators, tune in to see which nation will launch the most ridiculous attack. Will it be foam rockets or glitter bombs? You decide. And let's not forget the inevitable collaborations that would arise. Imagine a joint mission where nations come together to create the ultimate space weapon, a giant disco ball that shoots out beams of light, dazzling enemies into submission. We come in peace and we brought the party. Hi. So, as the stars twinkle above and nations prepare for their cosmic showdowns, the future of space war promises to be a wild ride filled with laughter, creativity, and a whole lot of glitter. Buckle up, because this is going to be one unforgettable journey through the galaxy, where the only thing more explosive than the battles is the humor that comes with them.